Hi viewers, we want to look at how we can answer NOVDEC 2025 question 7a. From the question, we have been asked to make K the subject of the relation. Let's see how we can make K the subject. So this is our relation given to us here, and for we to make K the subject, our first approach is to cross multiply, where we use our y here to multiply our k plus 2x. All will be equal to 4m multiplying k plus x. At this level, we expand the bracket. So y will multiply k, we'll get ky. Y will multiply 2x, we have 2xy. All will be equal to 4m times k, will give us 4mk. And 4m times positive x will give us 4mx. At this stage, we want to make k the subject, but we can see k on the left hand side of the equation and k also at the right hand side of the equation. So we group all the k at one side of the equation. So we have ky. We transpose our 4mk to the left hand side, and the 4mk is positive. So when it comes to the left hand side, it will turn to negative, or equal to 4mx. We also transpose our positive 2xy to the right hand side, and it will be negative 2xy. At this level, we have k here. We factorize our k, and we are going to have y minus 4m, all equal to 4mx minus 2xy. At this stage, we divide through by y minus 4m so that we can get our k to stand alone. And this will cancel this, and our k will be equal to 4mx minus 2xy, all divided by y minus 4m. And this will be our answer for I. So k is the subject of the relation on the board. Now for the II, we have been asked to find k. So we are looking for this k when x my is given to us. So we know that our m is 1, so we fix it. Our x is 3, we fix it. Minus 2 multiplying x, which is 3, multiplying y, which is negative 2. All divided by y minus 4m, and our y is negative 2 minus 4 multiplying 1. So we also simplify this. 4 times 1 times 3 will give us 12. And minus 2 times 3 times minus 2 will give us positive 12. All divided by negative 2 minus 4. So we have k equal to 12 plus 12 will give us 24. All divided by minus 2 minus 4 will give us minus 6. So 24 divided by minus 6, our k is going to be minus 4. So this is how we can answer NOVDEC 2025 question 7a. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Thank you.